We learn how to create a chatbot system. For creating a chatbot system, let's look at the flow first. This is the flow. This is our initial message. Then we have two buttons, yes and no, and their corresponding messages. Now, for creating the chatbot flow, first we'll create a template for the initial message with the buttons. We'll go to the channel, we'll click on WhatsApp, template manager, create template. Let's name it as chatbot demo. We'll choose the language from here. Template category as marketing, and then we'll go next. Now we'll take the initial message and it will look like this. We'll add the footer. Now we'll add the customized buttons. First we'll write yes. We'll add another button. You can also add phone number if you want, or the website if you want. No. And we can also add image if you want. For right now, I am taking this picture. And we'll save and apply it with Facebook. We'll sync the template. It might take a while, depending upon 2 to 10 minutes. And it's approved now. Now we'll go to chatbot. We'll click on the chatbot. Now the triggered message would be yes. If someone will click on yes, so this message will go, and if someone will click on no, this message will go. We'll create two chatbots with two different trigger messages. We'll go on WhatsApp chatbot, message match keyword condition. By default, it will be the version 2. We'll select the channel. We'll choose is here, and enter value में we'll add the triggering message, that is yes, and we'll save it. Now we'll click here. We'll choose the message type. Right now I need to send a normal message, so we'll send a text message, and the corresponding message would be this, and we'll save it. We'll on the flow, let's save it as yes, and we'll save the workflow. Now similarly we'll create a bot flow for no as the triggering message. अगर कोई no को दबाएगा तो क्या message जाना चाहिए. Same steps. The entering value यानी the triggered keyword would be no. We'll save. We click on plus. We need to send the message. You can choose the types of message you want to send. Right now I want to send a text message. I'll take the corresponding message and paste it here, and we'll save the message. Active the workflow and save it. Now this is how your chatbot system is created. Let's see how it works. Now while sending it, we'll go on the bulk message campaign. We'll create a new campaign. That would be a WhatsApp campaign. Create message. Version 2. We'll name it as demo chatbot. Let's keep it immediate. You can schedule it as well. We'll go on the next. We'll add the quick contacts. I'll add the number here. Just make sure that you're adding 91 in front of the numbers. We'll go on next. Click on the channel. Pre-approved template. And here's the template that we saved by chatbot demo. We'll click on it, and as you can see the template here. We'll upload the image from here. And here's the message. Do not forget to save your reply in whatever form you need. Let's take it as form here. And do not forget to click on this button. It will save your responses. Now we'll go on the next, and we'll save the campaign.